And then, after Alaska, uwi ka ng Philippines because you have to go to Korea.
I have to go to
Congrats,
Korea.
DJ!
Accept an award! An award to? An award to?
You know, I'm not sure.
It's an Asian award.
It's an Asian
For
award.
television. He's
Why
receiving
not?
an award for Incognito!
Yes, thank you.
You're the man.
You're the
man.
mates represent.
And you make us proud. You make Filipinos proud.
We make ourselves proud. Kasi sila rin ang bumoto sa akin para umakit doon. So I thank everyone na bumoto. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Ako nang bahala sa akin.
Karangalan natin yung bilang Pilipino ng mga nanalo ng awards.
Oo naman. Siyempre. Bandila natin yan. Ano eh?
Gusto mong kwentuhan na lang o kanta tayo?
Ganda lang. Mahaba-haba pa tayo. So, isa mo dyan na lang kami.